Hey everyone, today I'm going to be making a 1x1x1 puzzle cube for my brother for Christmas. This is something he requested I make for him, so it's kind of just a gag gift, something to sit on his desk and kind of like a fidget toy. So I'm going to be making it on the Bridgeport machine and the drill press, which are behind me at the shop I work at. I actually had to do a redesign. This is version 2. Version 1 came out okay, but the mechanism didn't work properly, so the sides didn't actually spin. So you know what it is, another day, another project. So I started the process of making this 1x1x1 puzzle cube by milling up 6 equal pieces of polycarbonate on the milling machine. I wanted to make sure I had all 6 pieces perfectly sized evenly so that way each piece match up with the next. Then I made the internal piece, which is simply just a small cube with a hole drilled perfectly in the center of each side that is tapped for a screw. In order for all the sides to sit nicely together, I had to file down each side. I marked it out so I could kind of give myself a spot to hit that was even around all 4 faces, so at least the angle was similar. The way the rotation mechanism actually works is there's a spring pulling the face of the cube into the center. So I had to kind of reverse engineer and figure out how I was going to make that happen. So what I did was I glued a 1/4-inch nylon washer to a 1/2-inch nylon spacer that had an internal diameter that was the same as the head of the screw that I used. You'll see how this goes together, but this is how the spring is pushing downward pressure to the center of the cube. Once it was all glued up, I spray painted the back side of each piece black just to match the color scheme of the regular puzzle cubes. Once the black dried, I flipped them over and spray painted the front of each face the 6 colors of a regular puzzle cube. And I also painted the head of each screw to match since I wasn't going to have a good way to cover that up. Then it was just a matter of assembling it and getting it wrapped up on Christmas morning for my brother because I made this on Christmas Eve. Hey everyone, if you liked what you saw, I'm going to have another video right here for you to watch from my channel. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. We'll see you again.